If WhatsApp application cannot download image and says try to download next time, then let us see some of the ways by which we can try to fix the issue. Generally, whenever you have to download an image from WhatsApp application, then there should be data or internet present in your device. So what you do is restart your phone at first. Also, if you are using a router, then switch off your Wi-Fi and switch it on again. So after doing these two basic things, check if you can download the image or not. If not, the next thing that you can do is you can reset your network settings. For that one, go to settings here, go to general management, go to reset, and there is an option here, reset network settings. Select this option. So what happens when you do the reset network settings is all the network settings related to Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth will be reset back to the factory default. If there is any problem in Wi-Fi or in mobile data, then it will try to fix the issue. Now if you are using your mobile data and if you see that there is a problem in mobile data connection, then what you can do is you can go to settings here, go to connections, go to mobile networks, and then go to this option network mode. Here you can at first select the lowest network mode, and then after a few seconds again go back and select the highest network mode. Also you can go to this option access point names and then select this option, three dotted icons, and then reset the access point name. Select reset. After you have reset the access point name, then you can select your access point. Again go back. Also if you want, you have the option to go to this network operators, and instead of selecting the network operators automatically, you can try to select the network operator manually. For that one, go to this option, select manually. The device will look for all the network operators that are present in your area, and then you can select your own network operator. This will take few seconds. So once you see all the network operators that are present in your area, then you can choose the network operator that you are using. Now the other thing that you can do is you can also clear the cache files and data for WhatsApp application. But remember, when you clear the cache files and data, then whatever the chats that are present in your WhatsApp application, it will be cleared. Unless you have backup of those chats in your Google Drive, then only clear the cache files and data for WhatsApp application. Otherwise, don't do it. If you want to clear the cache files and data for WhatsApp application, you have to go to settings here, go to apps, then you will scroll down and here you will go to the option WhatsApp application. Open the application, go to the storage, select clear cache and then select clear data and then OK. So once you have cleared the cache files and data for WhatsApp application, you have to open WhatsApp application and then you can restore the chats that were present in WhatsApp application. But remember, if you don't have the backup of WhatsApp chats, don't clear the cache files and data for WhatsApp application. The other thing that you can do is you can also check if there is an update available for the WhatsApp application. Sometimes there might be an issue with the application that will be fixed by updating the application. So open the application, Play Store, and then look for WhatsApp application here. Open WhatsApp. Now if you can see on the right of WhatsApp application, I have the option open. That means my WhatsApp application is up to date. If there is an update available, then here you will see update instead of open. So make sure to have the latest version of WhatsApp application. Also make sure that you have correct date and time in your Android device. WhatsApp says that if the date and time is not correct, then WhatsApp will not be able to connect to the server. So make sure that the date and time is correct. If you see that the date and time in your device is not correct, then make sure to have the correct date and time. The next thing what we will check is check if you have given permission to WhatsApp application to use the device internal storage. For that one, we will go to settings here, we will go to apps. Then again we will scroll down and we will open WhatsApp application. Open it. Go to permissions here. Make sure that this option storage is enabled. If this option is not enabled, then WhatsApp application will not be able to use the device storage, and in that case it cannot download the image and save to the device. Now the last option to check is make sure that you have space left in your Android device. For that one, go to settings. Then we will go down and we will check this option device care. Then I will go to this option storage. Here if I see I have used 44 gigabyte and still I have 20 gigabyte left in my device. So make sure that you have space left in your device. If not, then check what is taking up the maximum space. For me, if you see, videos are taking 13 gigabyte and then applications are taking 9.5 gigabyte. So make sure if you don't need any videos or any application, then delete them so that you can create space and WhatsApp will be able to download the images. So do all of these steps and hopefully you should be able to download images from WhatsApp application again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.